Hi guys, this is Shreya Khanna. This is my YouTube channel. Welcome on this channel. Okay, so guys, this is a specific message for someone. Okay, very specific message for someone. I hope that this resonates with someone. Only take what resonates and leave what does not, because this is a general reading. In case you want to book your personal readings, you can WhatsApp me for sure. Okay, so what is the specific message for specific someone? I don't know who this is for, but let's just find out. Okay, what is, yeah. So first message is coming. There is something hidden from you, and there is something coming out. So we have Four of Pentacles for you at the very first card, and we have of Queen of Wands for you. Okay. Now I'm getting that someone of you is dealing with financial lack, financial trouble right now. Okay. Something of a fear I'm getting that some of you is feeling. So this is a very specific message. If this resonates, I will give you a remedy or a solution after this also. Okay, so what is happening here is I'm seeing that you are away from city life, you're away from materialism, you're away. So yeah, this has something you did positive has impacted on your pocket, has impacted something of a wrong way to you. And it's not, so I won't say that this is your fault, but it was also a lesson for you. So there is a lesson for you. Okay, now I'm getting that after a financial lack, financial problem, after something, so this is coming to me as Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, and this is a Capricorn energy for sure. If we talk about it, there is a triple two message for you. Okay, in case triple two has been coming to you, and I just told you you are away from city life, I can see you away from city life, and there is some kind of financial problem that you're dealing with. You're gonna be out from it because you were you were investing yourself to be more creative, to learn more things. This is why some kind of financial lacks there has been going on for you. But with the triple two message, as this card is coming with a Four of Pentacles, and I told you that you are away from city life, this is also coming to me as union. What is this union with? You are going to be united with a lot of people. You are going to be united with community. You are going to be united with the divine energies of humankind, which means you will be talking, you will be whatever you are learning, because I think that you have been investing yourself in some kind of creativity. Maybe you're doing something with your hands, maybe you're learning, maybe you are healing, maybe you are in something, something related to fire energy. This is also Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy is also coming up. Okay, so earth and fire signs, this reading could be for you. So after this, this, you could have been spiritual. I am just getting that you are spiritual, you are healing, you have taken, so yes, your root chakra is healing. So there are a lot of things that is happening for you behind the scenes in your own life, and that is happening for good, that is happening for a bright future, that is happening for you to learn a lesson. And I am getting that you have learned some kind of lessons. So right now I see you saving some money. Okay, right now I see you doing something creative. Right now I see you working with candles. Okay, I see you wearing very aesthetic clothes. It could be, free clothes. It could free clothes as in a little bit wide open clothes as your spirit feels like. Okay, this is triple four. So number four is very strong for you right now, but it need not be very strong, because I see that you're shifting. You're making a career, you're making a creative career. Let's find more. Let's find one more card, okay? There is King of Pentacles. You have learned your lesson. And not just for now, in the coming time, you are prepared. You are prepared to go out. You're prepared to make something. Your root chakra, I'm talking about. Color red is very auspicious for you now. Auspicious means it brings you luck, it brings you wealth, it brings you prosperity. So color red is especially for you, okay? Something is telling me that do not pick up any money that you find on roads, on streets. Do not pick up any money on roads, something like that. You will find a sign. This is 555. You will find a sign that you are being prepared for your stability, you're being prepared for your King of Pentacles. With you, I'm also getting that you will be also becoming very, very rich in a very young age, which means you will not go to 55, 40, not like that. You will become rich very early, whatever your age is. I'm getting in next 2 years, you will have your, cream success. You will be counted in a rich category of people. Not even counted, but you will hold a space about your own personality, and you are not going to, to invest a lot in other people with talks, with gossip. You're not going to invest yourself in that, but what you're going to invest in healing. You're going to be, extremely positive about your career, about your healing, about your, what you do, what you practice. You could be an astrologer, you could have a really strong hold in astrology, tarot card reading. This is also, everything is a part of astrology. When we talk about tarot card reading, healing, reiki practicing, more like, you could have your very strong hold in numerology also. Something like that is coming, okay? About, there is something about your, signature. So let me just find out. There is something about your signature. So something is very, very authoritative about you that is gonna be there. Right. I'll pick two more cards so that we'll find out what exactly you need to know. Is there any kind of guidance that is coming for you? Is there any kind of protection that is coming for you? Or is there a solution or a remedy? Let's just find out. So something is hidden, right? And the hidden thing is you. So I told you there is something hidden, right? I just remembered. So yeah, the hidden thing is you have been practicing something. I don't know what it is about you, but you have been investing your time in some kind of healing, some kind of candles, some kind of light work, okay? And that, my friend, you could be wearing bracelets, you could be using your flute, or I'm getting a big it could have been a big flute or a bamboo stick, I don't know. But you could be practicing martial arts or something like that, right? So you have been practicing behind the scenes without telling anyone. So that is hidden. Also, something is hidden and that is coming to surface, and you will know, there is something. Let's see what are the guidance cards for you. Guidance, please. Is there any guidance? Yes, there is a guidance. There is Queen of Cups. Okay, one more card, please. Solution, guidance, remedies, anything? Okay, we have two cards. We have Knight of Wands and the Justice card. Yes, you are practicing something of healing. We have we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in the house. We have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have Libra, and we have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Okay, so it's something that you're doing with your healing, with your shadow work, with your martial arts, with protecting yourself, that is coming. Okay, So there is one kind of guidance coming to you, as look out for some kind of signs that universe is giving you. Okay, be a little bit. There is 10-10. There is also something about something coming to completion, something that you're getting your answers from. Maybe you're done with your emotions for now because your cup is full. Okay, your cup is more than full and it is overflowing. So something is telling me that this is why you need to be very very conscious of what you're doing, of what you want to achieve in life, and let it go to God. Okay, let God help you. Actually, let God help you is coming for you. Okay, there is music that you can listen to as a solution, as a therapy. This is music. So music, flute, right? Music and flute, there are the king, there are Knight of Wands card and Queen of Wands card. Okay, you're a very free spirit. 1111, you're a very free spirit, and with your free spirit comes with tribal, um with your tribal, how do I say this, um free nature, right? So tribal nature comes with it. I don't know if you have been listening to African drums or maybe a shaman energy. There is, there is a shaman energy within you, but you're being guided to something, and that's a different energy from this. So yes, your practices, your justice, you could be a Libra. Okay, you could be this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. So what you're doing is in the background and that's hidden. Okay, and where your free spirit is, tribal spirit is, where you attract divine energies. This is 12-12. Okay, where you attract divine energies. I am also getting that you need to be very, very grounded, and you need to be, this is more like King of Pentacles. I have my own castle. I have a lot of money. I have a lot of gold. I have a lot of um, um, assets, and this is who you are. This is 1 2 3 4. Your root chakra is healing. Okay, this is Ganesha's energy. So this is more like you are very very stable. So this is on the ground, something like that. Okay, so you need to, apart from this free spirit, apart from this healing, apart from all of it, you also need to earn money. You also need to earn finances, and this is where you're going. This is you converting your all financial crisis into financial abundance. Yes, so you can write this down. I'm converting my financial crisis to financial abundance. Okay, you are going through a solid transformation, as the 1313 just told me. Okay, now I wish you very very nice things. Any of you who wants to get remedies, solutions, answers, and any of you who wants to get it through personal readings, contact me through WhatsApp. I do this over a phone call. No videos anymore, not for now. Okay, I used to do it, but not for now. Okay, yeah, and learn tarot card reading. Is of course that is gonna be happening over the um video call for sure, because that's a group. So I welcome you to join and take the tarot course, so that this is your new skill that is adding in your space. And I wish you a very very good luck from my side. Keep smiling and keep converting your financial crisis to financial abundance. A lot of love to you. Radhe Radhe.